Okay, let us open this PC. Right click and select Properties. From the window, select Advanced System Setting. Select the setting options for performance. When you click that, you will see the Performance Options window appear. In here you can see 4 types of settings. The first one lets Windows choose what's best for the computer. The second one is for best appearance, and the third one is to adjust for best performance. And the fourth one is custom. As I select each one of the settings, accordingly some options will get unticked or ticked. In order to boost your PC's performance, click on Adjust for best performance. As you can see, all the options got unticked here. So what it basically means is that all the options for enhancing animations and appearance of your computer have been disabled to free up RAM usage. Now click Apply. Press OK. Now go to Control Panel, click on Hardware and Sound. Select Power Options. As you can see, there are 2 options. One is Balance, which is recommended for your PC. This helps your system to automatically balance performance with energy consumption. The Power Saver option will help you save energy, but at the cost of reducing your system's performance. So what we need is, here, click on Show Additional Plans. Select the High Performance option. This plan will increase your system's performance, but the power consumption will be relatively higher. Now I will show you another way. Open Command Prompt. Type in the specific command. It will be given in the description below. Just copy and paste it here. Now press Enter and close the command prompt. Now open Control Panel, select Hardware and Sound, then select Power Options. Now you can see a new option, Ultimate Performance. This option will help you further enhance your system's performance. Give this a try and find out the difference for yourself. Thank you for watching.